If you want to change your life, you need to be busy. Pack your schedule. The more active you are, the more you will achieve. True winners don't have time for things that don't help them reach their goals. So, focus on what really matters every single day. Everyone wants success, but few want to work for it. Most people love the idea of winning, but hate the process. But loving the process is key. Don't just wish for success, work for it. The world only rewards the best. To be the best, focus on one thing and master it.